Good morning, folks, from 6069. Just want to update you on where we're at today. It's been a busy weekend. Been paint stripping the side of the tender. As you can see, this is the last section, or I should say last panels on the side of the tender that still have the old green paint. It's in really bad shape. Lots of rust and lots of flaking, paint damage, whatnot. Interesting find. If I bring it over here, now if you look to the left of the mask, see the mask? If you look to the left of that yellow line, hi Todd, how's it going? That yellow line that you can see on an angle, that's actually the remnants of the old Canadian National. In the old big square orange and yellow, orange and white logo that used to sit on an angle, if I back out, would have replaced, or should be underneath this original sign that the engine had when it came to the city. But back when this was built, it had the older previous CN logo. I'll try and get a picture up later tonight when I get home on better internet. Hi Corey, hi Tim, thanks for joining. So the goal today is just to try and get the rest of the paint off, work our way steadily up here, right up to the top of the rondelle there. And then that'll probably be about it for the following weekend. Get all this nice steel and primer. For those that like count rivets, let's have a look. Zoom in, you can see she's in pretty good condition, considering it sat for 30-40 years with only the students throwing a quick coat of house paint on it. The steel's actually in pretty decent shape. So yesterday we did down below, you can see all that's been stripped down. Whoop, sorry we lost the video there. Stripped all the paint down there as well. Once this side's completely done all the way back as far as you can see, then the next job is going to be to get the black paint done. I'm looking forward to doing that because it involves doing the big drivers, the wheels. We've made a decision to use no paint on the driving rods and to actually change it over to clear coat with a black stripe down the middle, which will make it look really cool. Anyways, back to work. Hope you liked the video, and if you're out and about, stop by and say hi.